So I'm Holly Delaney. My degree here was the advanced business degree through the advanced business program. So it was an associate's degree. Current company I've been at for about 9 years or so. There was lots of advancement opportunity there. They were requesting that you have some form of a degree. And so I heard about Cleveland State's advanced business program and just jumped on it right away. It was too good of an opportunity for me to pass up because it was a hybrid program. Additionally, it was like a fast track program. So instead of taking the normal 2+ years to get the associate's degree, I was able to complete it in 18 months, which was crazy fast. Cleveland State's advanced business program helped me define my tomorrow by allowing me to be one of the first in my family to get an associate's degree and graduate college. It also helped me by advancing my career, by being promoted within the workforce, and just in general being able to do all of this while working full-time, being a mother, and also being a volunteer within my community.